Hi, welcome to radiantmindsacademy. In this video, we'll be learning how to solve problems of perimeter and area of a circle. Watch to the end of this video and you'll be able to learn how to obtain solutions of perimeter and area of a circle. Now, a circle is a closed figure in which the set of all points in the plane is equidistant from the center. So here is a circle, and all points from the plane is equidistant from the center. So we have a figure which you can call figure 1, and this figure we are saying that all points in the plane is equidistant from the center. So if we draw a line from this point, which is our origin, O, from the center of the circle to any point on the circumference is equidistant. That means they are all equal. And any line that is drawn from the center of the circle, the circumference is known as the radius of that circle. First, to obtain the perimeter of a circle is given as 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius. So the perimeter of a circle is given as 2 pi r. Let's go here equation 1. Also, to obtain the area of the circle, we have that area is equal to pi r squared. So the area of the circle is pi r squared. So with equation 1 and equation 2, we can be able to obtain the perimeter and the area of any given circle. So we have the first question given to us. They said the circumference of a circular track is 400 meters. Find the radius. They said we should take pi as 22 divided by 7. So we are given that the circumference which is also known as the perimeter of the circle is equal to 400 meters. And we are asked to find the radius. So radius we don't know, but recall that the perimeter of the circle is given us 2 pi r. So from this point, we can make r our subject. So we divide both sides of the equation by 2 pi. So 2 pi can cancel out 2 pi. So we have that r is equal to the perimeter divided by 2 pi. Thus, the perimeter was given as 400 divided by 2, and our pi is given as 22 divided by 7. Thus, if we simplify the right hand side, we have it that our radius r will be equal to 400 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 times 22. This is giving us 63.64 meters. Now we are given that the area of a circle is 38.5 cm squared. We are asked to find the diameter of the circle. We should take pi as 22 divided by 7. So given to us is the area, which is 38.5 cm squared, and we are asked to find the diameter, which is 2 times our radius. But recall that the area of a circle is given as pi r squared. Thus, we have that the area is 38.5 equal to 22 divided by 7 times r squared. So if we make r squared a subject, we have that r squared is equal to 7 times 38.5 divided by 22. So r squared is equal to 12.25. Now to obtain the value of r, we take the root of both sides. So the equation becomes root of 12.25. So therefore r is equal to 3.5 cm. But we are asked to obtain the diameter of the circle. So we have that the diameter is equal to 2 times r. So this is equal to 3.5 times 2, which is equal to 7 cm. So therefore, the diameter of a circle that has area 38.5 cm squared is 7 cm. The next question we have says that the area of a circular field is 154 meters squared. What is the perimeter of the field? And we say take pi as 22 divided by 7. Area is equal to 154 meters squared, and we're asked to obtain the perimeter of the field. So recall that area is equal to pi r squared. So the equation becomes 154 is equal to 22 divided by 7 times r squared. So again, if we make r squared a subject, we have 154 times 7 divided by 22. So r squared is equal to 49. Now to obtain the value of r, we take the root of both sides. So we have root of 49. 49 being a perfect square is equal to 7. So the radius is giving us 7 meters. But the question was for us to obtain the perimeter of the circle. So recall that perimeter P is equal to 2 pi r. Now we've obtained the value of r. So the perimeter becomes 2 times 22 divided by 7 times 7. So at this point, 7 can cancel out 7, and 2 times 22 is giving us 44. So therefore, the perimeter of the circle is 44 meters. Now at this point, I believe you have found value in the video. Please encourage us by subscribing and also like the video and share it so that others can benefit from this knowledge. Now let's take up a critical question that can test our understanding. We are given that in the diagram below, PSR and PYO are two semicircles with diameter 14 cm and 7 cm respectively. They said find the area of the enclosed region ESROY and find the perimeter of the regions. Solution. We have two semicircles, and recall that area of semicircle is equal to 1 over 2 pi r squared. Now, for semicircle PSR, radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, and diameter of PSR is giving us 14 cm. So we have that 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7 cm. Also, for PYO, we have that radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. And the diameter of PYO is given as 7 cm. So this is equal to 7 divided by 2. And the radius is given as 3.5 cm. On that note, we have obtained the radius of PSR and semicircle PYO. Now let's obtain their areas. So we have that area of PSR will be giving us 1 divided by 2 times pi times 7 squared. This is equal to 1 divided by 2 times 22 divided by 7 times 7 squared. So if 7 cancels itself, we have 1. If 7 cancels out 7 squared, we'll be having 7 remaining. So if 2 cancels itself, we have 1. 22 divided by 2 is 11. So therefore, the area is equal to 11 times 7, which is equal to 77 cm squared. Also, area of PYO is giving us 1 divided by 2 multiplied by pi times 3.5 all squared. So we have 1 divided by 2 times 22 divided by 7 times 3.5 squared. So if we simplify at this point, 2 cancel itself, we have 1. 22 divided by 12 is 11. So we have that the equation becomes 11 times 3.5 squared divided by 7. So thus, our area is equal to 19.25 cm squared. So we have obtained the area of the bigger semicircle, which is PSR, and also obtained the area of the smaller semicircle, which is PYO. But the question says we should obtain the area of the enclosed region PSROY. Thus, so area of enclosed region is giving us area of PSR, which is the larger semicircle, plus area of PYO, which is the smaller semicircle. So we have there to be 77 cm squared plus we have 19.25 cm squared. So if we add the two values, we have that the area of the enclosed region is giving us 96.2 cm squared. Now, the question 2 that was given to us says, find the perimeter of the region. So we'll find the perimeter of PSR and also find the perimeter of PYO. First, recall that perimeter is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 pi r. So 1 divided by 2 times 2 pi r is the perimeter of a semicircle. So for PSR, we have it that the perimeter is giving us 1 divided by 2 times 2 times 22 divided by 7 times our radius is 7. So 7 cancel itself is 1. 7 cancel 7 is 1. 2 cancel itself is 1. 2 cancel 2 is 1. So therefore, for PSR, perimeter P is equal to 22 cm. Also, for PYO, we have it that perimeter is equal to 1 divided by 2 times 2 times 22 divided by 7 times 3.5. So 2 cancel itself is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Thus, we have that this becomes P equal to 22 times 3.5 divided by 7. So this is equal to 11. So therefore, the perimeter of PYO is giving us 11 cm. So we have obtained the perimeter of the region, and also we have obtained the area of both regions. I believe you must have found value in this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also like the video. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.